A wide range of paints to choose from. Discover the true value of paint with our color scheme. Discover how to use your color scheme to create an ideal environment for your project. Paint the walls or ceiling in your home in a modern or traditional style. Our color scheme captures the spirit of our craft, celebrating an optimist's eye for color and a deep understanding of how it can enhance any space. Our range of high-quality paints is designed for use in a variety of applications. Paints are colors that can be mixed to create a new color. A paint contains pigment, a small amount of binder and solvents. The pigment is usually a pure colorant, but may also contain other ingredients as additives that change its color or add gloss or transparency. Our paints are available in a wide range of colors and finishes. We offer high-quality paints for use in any household, commercial or industrial environment. The colors you choose to paint your home can make a big difference to how it looks. Our paint color collection has been carefully selected to reflect trends, fashion, and what's in demand right now. Sharma paints create a beautiful finish to your project, whether it is an interior home improvement house painting job. Since 1988, we've been dedicated to the idea that beauty should be both inspired and sustainable. We believe in creating quality products that are not only the best for their natural forms, but also for their ability to give back.